Welcome to the story of Dr. Israr Ahmed, a renowned Pakistani Islamic scholar and founder of the Tanzim-e-Islami organization. Dr. Ahmed was a prominent figure in the Islamic revivalist movement in Pakistan and dedicated his life to promoting the teachings of the Qur'an and the Sunnah. Dr. Israr Ahmed was born on April 26, 1932, in Hisar, India. He moved to Lahore, Pakistan, with his family after the partition of India in 1947. Dr. Ahmed received his early education in Lahore and later went on to study medicine at the King Edward Medical University. Dr. Israr Ahmed's interest in Islamic studies began in his early youth, and he became increasingly involved in the Islamic revivalist movement in Pakistan in the 1950s and 1960s. He founded the Tanzim-e-Islami organization in 1975, with the aim of promoting the Islamic way of life and establishing an Islamic state in Pakistan. Dr. Ahmed was a prolific writer and speaker, and his lectures and speeches on Islamic topics were widely popular in Pakistan and other parts of the world. He emphasized the importance of Quranic teachings and the Sunnah and encouraged Muslims to live their lives in accordance with these principles. Dr. Israr Ahmed's contributions to the Islamic revivalist movement in Pakistan and his dedication to promoting the teachings of the Qur'an and the Sunnah continue to inspire Muslims around the world. He authored numerous books on Islamic topics, including his renowned Tafsir-e-Quran, which provides a comprehensive and in-depth analysis of the Quranic text. Dr. Ahmed passed away on April 14, 2010, in Lahore, Pakistan, at the age of 77. His legacy lives on through the Tanzim-e-Islami organization, which continues to promote his teachings and vision for an Islamic state in Pakistan. Thank you for joining us in exploring the life and legacy of Dr. Israr Ahmed, a renowned Pakistani Islamic scholar and founder of the Tanzim-e-Islami organization. His contributions to the Islamic revivalist movement in Pakistan and his dedication to promoting the teachings of the Quran and the Sunnah continue to inspire Muslims around the world. We honor his memory and wish his family and followers all the best in their endeavors.